So here's a hack I just saw. I thought was a pretty good idea. I'm not sure I'll personally use it, but if you've watched some of my old videos, you know that I use my Cnoc bag, not for water, but for protein powder. So I'll fill that thing up, and then it's just easy to pour it into my water bottles without spilling powder all over the place. And it holds a good amount. And besides that, you can carry water in it, which I think is what it was made for. It's got an easy opening, big back, which is another good reason I use it for protein powder. It's easy to fill. But I saw a guy on YouTube, he was using it as a washing machine. So I talk about putting my socks in a Ziploc and, keeping them damp and rinsing them out quite often because they just get so compacted with dirt. And what he does is he puts his socks in this Cnoc bag and he leaves quite a bit of water in there. And then while he's hiking, it's just shaking around all over the place. If I were to do that, which, again, I think it's a great idea, I would have a dedicated Cnoc bag for my socks, because I'm not going to drink out of or eat protein powder out of something that my socks have been washed in. Probably get hoof and mouth disease. Anyway, this bag has become quite useful for many things. And again, I carry it for that protein powder. It's about empty right now, but when you're done with it, it rolls up really small, doesn't take a lot of room up in your food bag. And you can wash your socks. Keep smiling.